Hey guys, so today we're looking at equilateral triangles. And as it implies, equa means equal and lateral is talking about the sides. So all the sides are equal. And if all the sides are equal, then all the angles are equal as well. That's what the theorem says about that. So first thing we need to do is we need to determine what all of the angles are, because we do know that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if all the angles are equal, I can just divide that by 3 to get that each angle is 60 degrees. So in an equilateral triangle, you can always say that all the angles are always 60. Always, no matter what. If it is equilateral, then it is also equiangular. All the angles are equal. So they are always 60 no matter what. So we can use that to help us solve problems like the one right here. When we're looking at this one, we can see one angle is labeled 3y and one angle is labeled 2x. But remember, I know each angle is 60 degrees, so I would set them equal to 60 degrees. So 2x equals 60. And then all I would have to do from here is divide both sides by 2 to find out what x is. 60 divided by 2 is 30. And you would do the same thing if you were trying to find the y. 3y equals 60. I'm setting them equal to 60, remember, because we determined that in an equilateral triangle, all three angles are always 60 degrees. So when I divide both sides by 3, I get that y is 20. And the same process would be used for these ones, okay? So it's saying that this angle right here, remember, they're all equal if all the sides are equal. So if this angle here is x plus 5, I know that that angle is 60 degrees. So we just have to solve to find out what x would be. So the only thing we really need to do for this one to get rid of a plus 5 is to minus 5 from both sides. So x equals 55. And we can do the same process for y. We see y minus 10, and we set it also equal to 60 because we know every angle is 60. The opposite of minus 10 is plus 10. So I add 10 to both sides, giving us that y is 70. And lastly, what if we don't have the angles? What if we have the side lengths? Remember, the side lengths, even though they are not 60 degrees, and we do not know how long the sides are, we do know that all the sides are equal, so set them equal to each other, okay? So in this case, what we can do is we can set 2y equal to 10. Or you could set 2y equal to y plus 5. Or you could set 10 equal to y plus 5. It doesn't matter which two sides you chose. I chose this side and this side. It really doesn't matter which two sides you set equal to each other, but we do know all the sides are equal, so set them equal. And then we just have to solve. So in this case, I'm dividing both sides by 2, and I can see that y is 5. And of course, I can plug 5 back in to verify that all three sides are equal. Okay? So just a few tips and tricks about equilateral triangles. If you have any questions, let me know.